We're going to look at how to name a couple compounds. So what we need to do when we look at these is we're going to look for a couple features. So we're going to check the endings. We see IDE. This means that there is only one element. So oxide is oxygen. Chloride is chlorine. When we have something that ends in not ID, like bisulfate, we're going to have to look up what bisulfate is on the list of polyatomic ions. So we'll have to look that one up. We have bisulfate. Bisulfate is HSO4, so one hydrogen, one sulfur, and four oxygens. These work together to have a charge of -1. If we look at our periodic table, we can see that everything that's in the same row as oxygen has a charge of -2, and chlorine is going to have a charge of -1. So when the first element is just a metal, we have a metal and a non-metal. So this is a group of non-metals. We're going to look up lithium. So lithium is in group 1. It has a charge of +1. So we have +1, -1. Manganese 3, they tell us here the charge is 3. 1, 2, 3. So when we read the Roman numerals, we have Mn for manganese, +3 is the charge. We're going to see the same thing here for tin 4. Tin is IV, 1 before 5. V is 5, I is 1, so it's 1 before 5 is 4. So we have Sn plus 4. Okay, hardest part's finding the ions. Now we just do crisscross. So here we bring the 1 down, and here we bring the 1 down. So we know that we're going to remove the 1 eventually, so we can just leave it as it is. We don't have to write the 1. So this is our formula. LiHSO4 is lithium bisulfate. Manganese oxide. Crisscross. Mn, 2 comes down here. Oxide is oxygen, 3 goes down here. So Mn2O3 finished. Okay. Last one, tin chloride. So we have SN1, Cl4. So 1 comes down here, 4 comes down here. We're just going to clean this up. We don't care about the 1s. We're going to get rid of it. So we get SnCl4.